ever wondered how a single genetic mutation can change the shape of your red blood cells and your entire life? Today, we're diving deep into sickle cell disease, from genes to treatments. Let's break it down. Title screen: Sickle Cell Disease, Genetics to Treatment. Part 1. Genetics. Host. Voiceover. Sickle cell disease is a genetic disorder caused by a mutation in the HBB gene, which provides instructions to make a protein called beta-globin, a component of hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying molecule in red blood cells. On screen. Punnett square animation. It's inherited in an autosomal recessive pattern. That means a person needs to inherit 2 copies of the mutated gene, one from each parent, to have the disease. On screen. DNA strand mutating, showing glutamic acid, valine at position 6. The mutation involves a switch from glutamic acid to valine at the 6th position of the beta-globin chain, known as the E6V mutation. That's Part 2. Pathogenesis, host, voiceover. Here's where things get interesting. Or rather, twisted. On screen. Red blood cells turning into sickle shapes. When oxygen levels drop, the abnormal hemoglobin, called hemoglobin S, polymerizes, causing red blood cells to become stiff, sticky, and sickle-shaped. Summit on screen. Cells blocking blood vessels. These distorted cells clog small blood vessels, leading to painful crises, organ damage, and increased risk of stroke or infection. Host. The cells also die early, leading to chronic anemia and fatigue. Part 3. Diagnosis. Host. Voiceover. Diagnosis is often made at birth through newborn screening programs using techniques like hemoglobin electrophoresis. On screen. Lab tests visual. Blood smear, electrophoresis gel. In older patients, blood tests can reveal low hemoglobin, increased reticulocytes, and a peripheral smear may show sickled cells. On screen, MRI, ultrasound. Other tests may be needed to monitor for complications like stroke risk or organ damage. Part 4. Treatment. Host. On screen. While there is currently no universal cure, treatment focuses on managing symptoms and preventing complications. On screen. Hydroxyurea, L-glutamine bottles. Hydroxyurea increases fetal hemoglobin, reducing sickling. L-glutamine reduces oxidative stress and pain crises. Pain control. NSAIDs and opioids during crises. Blood transfusions. For anemia and stroke prevention. Beyond screen. Vaccine animation. Preventing infections is key. Patients need vaccinations and penicillin prophylaxis, especially during childhood. Host. For severe cases, bone marrow transplant or gene therapy offers hope and potentially a cure. Closing host. On screen. Sickle cell disease is more than just a red blood cell problem. It's a complex, lifelong condition. But with early diagnosis and the right care, many patients live longer, fuller lives. On screen. Like, comment, subscribe. Animation. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more medical insights. Host. Final words. And remember, one gene can change a life. Let's change how we treat it. See you in the next video.